Hi, I'm Zach Klein and I'm the Columbus City Attorney. As the prosecutor in the City of Columbus, we prosecute all misdemeanor cases ranging from traffic violations all the way up to very serious domestic violence. We were the very fortunate winners in the city of a technical assistance grant from the federal government that's going to help us streamline our practices as it relates to domestic violence and intimate partner homicide.
I hope that having a spotlight on this problem will make the City of Columbus a guidestone, someone that other people can reference on how to effectively, safely represent the populations affected by gun trauma and domestic violence and gun use and any offenses of violence. I think having these resources and the technical assistance means we can get it right and then share the information.
As you may know, a domestic violence abuser that possesses a gun is 5 times more likely to kill their partner.
Oftentimes judges will indicate for somebody to not have a firearm. We don't have a venue to seize those firearms or a place to take them if we do seize them. We don't have the ability to enforce certain court orders when it comes to firearms.
Between law enforcement, the sheriff's office, prosecutors, and victim advocates, sometimes not everyone is on the same page as it relates to best practices and how to disarm some of these abusers.
There's a difference between what a municipal court judge gets and what a common pleas court judge gets as far as the information, as far as getting that, having the knowledge that the weapons need to be taken. And then in order to get buy-in from all the parties, you also have to have a process for returning them that's safe and effective, that you're not returning weapons to people that still shouldn't have them.
So this technical assistance grant, which Columbus was one of 3 cities in the United States to receive, will be able to identify best practices with experts in the field.
This project is something that I think most of us have been waiting for. We all exist in our own silos and don't necessarily share the information with each other in the most effective way. This is a motivator to get us to share our information so that Common Pleas, Municipal Court, and all of our community supporters are working on the same page. It's kind of like the Center for Family Healing. Instead of someone having to tell their story 15 times, you can tell it to one person and hopefully we'll be able to disseminate that information and effectively protect the communities and people that are affected by domestic violence and firearms terror in their lives.
These are the most dangerous runs that law enforcement go on. We have to help them identify the best resources to disarm these individuals so that they are safe as well too.